Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a card using some all the products from Simon's Stamps that I've got in my stash for a while, and I thought I'd take them back to make a nice Mother's Day card. And I want to use one of my inspiration cards. So I choose a few colors that they're similar to the one in the card. So I'm going to use the purples, the light yellow, a darker orange, and a more dark yellow, warm yellow. So it's just a mix again of markers that I've got in my stash, different brands as well. And I'm gonna use that one for my card today. So let's get started. I will start in stamping my image, the big flower, with the Memento black ink. So because I'm gonna do some color copy coloring. So the Memento is a copy friendly ink. So I had to press it a couple of times. I cut it, but it wasn't on the first. It wasn't great on the first one. I had to stamp it a few times. I think I need to re-ink my ink pad. And now I'm just gonna go very. I'm gonna do some very simple coloring, nothing too complicate. As you probably know, I'm not the best colorist, so I'm just doing very, very simple. I could go with a bit more dark in the centers, but again, I don't want to ruin it. I'm always scared to ruin. And now I just decide what position do it, because it's so big. I want to cut it in two, and then position in a way the other half position on the top part, so it looks like I've got more flowers. Well, it's just one. So I'm gonna have one in one corner, the main one, and then another bit in the on the other side. And now I'm gonna have some space for my sentiment. Just gonna move a little bit, checking the position. And this stamp set is beautiful, and it's got so many beautiful sentiment. And it's because for my mom, I'm gonna choose the one that said, no matter my age, I will always need you, because it's so true. um yeah, I've got a few Mother's Day cards, so I'm gonna let her choose which one she prefers. Sorry about the beeping, someone is messaging. And that's it. Just gonna, once I decide, I'm just gonna ink or preparing my, I think I never used this particularly sentiment, so I'm just prepping it a bit with some with a rubber. And once I do that, I'm inking it with the oxide, no, onyx, Versaclear onyx black ink. Oh my gosh, that was a mouthful for me. The word mum I die cut in the orange cardstock, just to match a bit the leaf. And I die cut three of them, and I'm gonna stack them together. And to do this, because it's such a delicate die, I just put some glue in a piece of acetate, and then I just tap the word, and then attach one on top of each other, and it's done. There you go. Second layer, just pick up some glue and then attach on top of the other one, and it come out easily enough. And it is a bit more stable now. Now I attach it with a bit of tape, low-tack tape, just to cut off the excess. And on this side, this excess, I didn't really want to waste it, so I just use it again in the in my card by fill up an empty space over there. I think it worked quite nicely. What do you think? Anyway, I pop everything up with with some foam square at the back, and now I'm just gonna glue the word mom on top of the sentiment, just nestled there between the flower and the writing, and I think it worked quite nice. There you go. Now I'm gonna glue my panel to a panel of the same color orange of the sentiment of the word, just to, you know, to match a little bit. And I'm giving a little bit of detail with the gel, gold gel pen. This one I use it for my wax seal usually, and I think it really adds something. You don't see much, unfortunately, on the video, but it does add some a little bit of shine to the card. But of course, I didn't think was enough. So as a final touch, once I attach it to my card base, of course, I add some purple sequins. Those one are from Spellbinders. They were as a gift. I mean, they were part of Quick and Easy card kit, I think. So I don't know if I can find them, but they are beautiful. And this is the card, the final result. I hope you like it. I really, really like it. So hopefully my mom as well will. I will list below what I used. Thank you so, so much for watching, for liking, subscribing, anything. I will see you next time for another card video. Thank you again. Bye.